Alright, this is Scotty Blade Collectibles, and today we're going to be opening a full box of 50 packs of World Class stickers. Obviously, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you're after any stickers, you want them delivering worldwide, if you go to the website I went to buy these, which is latomstickers.com, they've got most collections on there. You can even buy full sets, a lot of the new collections as well, like the Copa America and also World Class. Right, so without any further talking, let's get into this box and get these full 50 packs opened. Never good at opening them though. I should always think, oh, I'll bring some scissors next time, and never do. So there we go. I've ripped the box. Oh well. There we go. So, right, we're in. Let's get started. Obviously, last time when I opened the full every product, didn't get the Messi stickers I were after, so that's all I can this time. So this box is a bit different. So we have Showtime Pedri, got the jewel sticker, Phil Foden for England, Rafinha and Tchouaméni for France. One good thing is, obviously, I've got quite a lot of the Maradona swaps. Yes, so last week. So at least I've got a few of them to go at. So Harry Maguire, Rock and Roll Enzo Fernandez, Alvaro Rodriguez, Harry Kane. Look at that, as we were saying, Maradona, World Class, 1986. Argentina won the World Cup in 1986. There we go. So obviously this is the 8 World Cup winners and the founders of FIFA as well. So we have Rock and Roll Kai Havertz, Rudiger, one too many there, Serge Gnabry, Fresneda for Spain, and Bentancur for Uruguay. Got top keeper Sergio Roque, Uruguay, Harry Maguire, Germany badge, Luke Shaw and Yusuf Fofana. So we've got Pelestri for Uruguay. We're going to come along Sheffield United as well, but then Man United decided against it. Raspadori for Italy. Showtime Valverde for Uruguay. Germany badge again. And Uruguay badge. Oh, that's not bad, is it? 2 badges in one. Because the badges have been a bit like we're in some World Cup albums, we just can't get them. So got Chiesa, is it Raspadori, I think, for Italy. Captain Donnarumma, Captain Harry Kane, Bukayo Saka, and Nicolo Barella. The captain to start with here. So we've got Captain Ilkay Gundogan, Nicolas Otamendi, one of the Williams brothers, Vitor Roque for Brazil, and Nahuel Molina for Argentina. Synergy, bottom half of the Synergy for Rudiger and Sula. Bottom half of the Synergy for Vinny Jr. and Guimaraes. Nandez for Uruguay. Dani Olmo and Federico Chiesa. Italy. Another captain. And it's Donnarumma again. Got Julian Mbappe captain. Nice. Stickers getting there we go. Main sticker of Lionel Messi. It's in it last box, but we've got him. I'm sure there's a shiny one of him as well, but we'll find out. And Julian Brandt. Oh, sorry. And Leroy Sané. I've got Gabriel Martinelli. Obviously, so with these stickers here, these like the action stickers at the bottom of the page, so you're taking like this bit out and putting them in. Rabiot. Another 1986. Oh no, it's not. It's 1978. I take that back. 1978 World Cup winning team for Argentina there. Matias Oliveira for Uruguay and Destiny Udogie for Italy. Ederson for Brazil. Tchouaméni, France. Marc-Andre ter Stegen for Germany. Daniel Carvajal and Eduardo Camavinga. Camavinga even. Goal machine Harry Kane. He has been in anti lately in Bundesliga. Marquinhos. Vitor Roque. Another Lionel Messi. So all them times I was looking for him, all them packs earlier. Last week, sorry. He were here. And the 1954 World Cup winners, which I believe were Italy. If I just opened this box, that'd have been fine. And so we've got Antoine Griezmann. Alan Maturo for Uruguay. 1934 winners. Looks like it anyway, which I think were Uruguay. David Fratese for Italy and Joshua Kimmich for Germany. So I have Supersonic Nahul Molina for Argentina. Federico Di Marco for Italy. Matteo Politano for Italy. Endrick for Brazil. Scored against England last night. I think I've got a couple of spots for him now. And Jonathan Tah. I imagine that's a good rookie sticker to have, that one. He should have scored a second as well, shouldn't he? I was adamant that goal were offside, didn't they? It weren't. So, Jonathan Tah. Jonas Hoffman. Harshwai for Germany. Gabriel Jesus and Brunner for Germany as well. Paris Brunner. I've got Supersonic Nico Williams. That looks, not sure what team that is. Actually, might be Sweden that actually. So Antoine Griezmann, Dayot Upamecano, and the original Ronaldo R91. A Game Changer sticker, which is number 2, I think. Yep. Luke Shaw, Danilo, Darwin Núñez, and Nicholas Fulkrug. So we've got Rock and Roll Rodrigo, Nicolas Sula, Jorginho, Giovanni Di Lorenzo, and a sticker from the 1958 World Cup, which I assume was the winners. I think. Was it Brazil or Italy? I'm not sure actually. Bill did quite a lot, didn't they? On that time. So we've got Fulkrug, Julian Mbappe, Fratese, Franz Beckenbauer, and Jamal Musiala. And we've got quite a few stickers at the back where it's like the legends and also the new up-and-coming stars. So them shiny ones are. So we've got a synergy, the bottom half of the synergy for Chiesa and Berardi. It wasn't Raspadori. Got Kevin Trapp, Lenormand, Olivier Giroud, Paulo Dybala. I could have said the actual collection of this, I actually quite like. It's stickers are like some of the best international teams and best players in the world, isn't it? So, you know what's not to like. It's got Berardi, De Paul, Carvajal, Xavi. You know, like you get stickers like this as well, with shiny ones with the legends. What's not to like? And Dani Olmo. Obviously, I still do like that. The actual World Cup ones and Premier League ones. Time will tell with the Euro ones for tops. So we've got Vinny Jr. Showtime, Donnarumma, Jordan Pickford, Ciro Immobile, and 1974 World Cup winners, which I know was Germany, and that's Beckham there. West Germany at the time, weren't it? We've got Ferran Torres, Rocher, Phil Foden, Simone Pafundi for Italy, and Emerson Royale for Brazil. Emerson Royale. It's like chicken royale. Got Ferran Torres goal machine, rock and roll, Tuchemene, Garte, Uruguay, Rodrigo, and Xavi World Class. So we've got Gareth Southgate's favourite, Jordan Henderson, Florian Wirtz, Vitor Roque, Joaquin Piqueres, and Alejandro Garnacho. And a nice sticker to have, that one. And we have La Martinez for Argentina. Panini World Class, I think. If I'm right thinking that is number 1. It is. So I've got first 4 now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And that's a nice sticker as well. With a black background. Randall Kolo Muani, Adrian Rabiot, Gabriel Martinelli. Oh, let's look at that. Like the gold on the black does look good, doesn't it? So yeah, again, pleased with these stickers, I've got to say. So I'm hoping, with all the stickers I've opened and 2 boxes, fingers crossed, got a full set. Probably need about 2. And my looks, got Aaron Ramsdale, Declan Rice, Alexis McAllister, Alvaro Morata, and Calvin Phillips. That's a very England heavy pack, that, and Premier League heavy pack. And Morata don't play in the Premier League anymore, but he did. So we've got Gianluca Donnarumma, Georgian de Asqueta, Florian Wirtz. A picture for Denmark, I think when they finished 8th in the World Cup, the highest position. And Jack Grealish, man with the world's largest calves. He must be able to kick a ball a mile with them calves. So, Alessandro Bastoni, Romero. The shine again, I think that's Sweden. 2014 World Cup winners, which were Germany. And Marcus Rashford. So I don't want to start. I want to keep going this way. I don't want to go to the back when I've started at the front here. So we have Captain Casemiro, Antoine Griezmann, Francesco Acerbi, Gabriel Batistuta, and Joselu. Batigol, there, nice sticker of him. So Raspadori, Harry Kane, Andres Iniesta, Alejandro Balde, and 1962 sticker of the winners. Again, I think was Brazil. Yeah, it was, because I had Pele, I think, in 62. When it was quite young. So we have Goal Machine, Giroud, Showtime Florian Wirtz, Ansu Fati, Nico Williams, and top class Rico Lewis, top class, world class Rico Lewis. Top class is the card collection, isn't it? So I have DeMarco, Maignan, Gersons, Ansu Fati, and Pedri. I think how they were raving about Ansu Fati and Pedri, and Ansu Fati's currently on loan at Brighton, which is no mean feat, by the way, but still, it's not Barcelona. Serge Gnabry, Franco Armani, Marquinhos, Ibrahima Konate, and the England badge. So we've got Franco Israel for Uruguay, Teo Hernandez, Gonzalez, Nino, and Inigo Martinez for Spain. You have to let me know in the comments if you're doing this collection and which is your favourite stickers out of it. There's quite a few good ones. So we've got Showtime, Antoine Griezmann, Goal Machine, Nicholas Fulkrug, Ilkay Gundogan, World Class 2006 World Cup winners Italy, and Xavi. Or Gavi, whichever one. I'm doing it because obviously it's got all the kits, hasn't it? And it being Panini, usually a good sticker collection because that's what they started off with, so you like to think they're good at it. Panini. So I've got Lucas Hernandez, Antonio Rudiger, World Class Fabio Cannavaro, was a good defender, weren't he? Rodrigo and Bruno Guimaraes. So we have Federico Chiesa, Tagliafico, Niklas Süle, third place in the 2018 World Cup, which was Belgium to beat England, and Mats Hummels. So I've got Nicholas Otamendi, Alex McAllister, the 1966 World Cup winners England with Sir Bobby Moore there as a Jeff Hurst. Bobby Charlton's on there, Alan Ball, a few England greats. Alfonso Areola, and World Cup finalists in 2010, the Netherlands. Who, instead of trying to win the match, I think just tried to kill the Spain team, didn't they, with some of the tactics. So Jack Grealish and Phil Foden, synergy sticker, top part of it. Bastoni, Leandro Paredes, Fabio Cannavaro, and Jose Maria Jimenez for Uruguay. Not many packs left now for this. So I've got one of the keepers. So top keeper, Emiliano Martinez, Alisson, Jorgen de Arrascaeta, John Stones, and Gianluigi Buffon. That was a very keeper-heavy pack. I finished it with one of the best keepers ever, Buffon. Don't think he ever won Champions League, though. When you look at some of the keepers that have. Alvaro Morata, Lamine Yamal, Giacomo Raspadori, Marco Asensio, and Marcus Thuram. That's about 10 packs now, aren't there? There's all left. So we have Gea, Enzo Fernandez, Nahitan Nandez, Pascal Gross, and Rodrigo De Paul. Though, when doing the Premier League stickers, you had to open the packs carefully because they always had a big sticker at the front or the back. That was fun. Trying to not rip that in half. So we've got Ilkay Gundogan, captain, Guillermo Varela, Alisson, France badge, and Fabian Ruiz. forward. So I've got Rock and Roll, Manuel Ugarte, John Stones, Acerbi, 1950 World Class for the World Cup is that in Brazil, I think? Yep, and Joe Linton. So I just want to keep going as I were. So I'll tilt them slightly. Right. Not many packs left now. Sunday morning opening, which you'll be watching on Sunday evening. So Kingsley Coman, Pedri, Kolo Muani, Warren Zaire Emery, and Joshua Kimmich. Marcus Rashford, Federico Valverde, Araujo, Giorgio Scalvini, and Paris Bruma. Germany. Not many to go now. I've chopped again. So we have Fernandez, Captain Lionel Messi, that's the one we're after. Showtime Jude Bellingham, Gabriel, and Cafu. One of the best right backs in the world, but would he be able to do it today? Probably was that good actually, wasn't it? So the second to last pack. So we have Supersonic, Kyle Walker, Bruno Guimaraes, Deo Upamecano, Vinny Jr., and again the 2006 World Cup winners, Italy. And lucky last pack. There we go. All 50 have gone. So we have Kepa Arrizabalaga. That is from the I think that might be from the first World Cup. That's Russia, I think, is it? Or Sweden. Actually looks like Sweden. Alvaro Rodriguez. Endrick, again, another good sticker to get, obviously with him being his rookie sticker, international sticker, I thought, and Hosselu. And there we go. Full box of 50 packs. This is the pile we've got of them. Quite a few. 250 to be precise. I've got some good stickers like Endrick. That is going to be a good sticker to have in the future. And also the world's best player at this moment in time. Even still, I'd still say Captain Lionel Messi. And we've got some Maradona ones as well in there, haven't we? And also Beckham was probably one of the best players in the world ever as well. But yeah, let me know what you think of the collection. Like I say, that's, you know, you do get a lot of variety in this collection. And also, if you get a full box, you don't get that many swaps, I've just found myself. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, come on and watch some of my other videos. Obviously I've got the video opening every product for this set as well, including the start pack, the multi-pack, the multi-set and a full box. And I will see you on the next one.